All right, today we're looking at a 2011 ezgo Revamp gas golf cart. This one's currently set up with our Ohio State theme. It's got a brand new platinum body, straight from ezgo, the Ohio State decals, as well as the helmet stripe seats. We build these custom seats in-house. Part of the revamp package on this cart is it has a brand new 13.5 horsepower Kawasaki engine, as well as a drivetrain. So basically everything under this seat's all brand new. It does come with a 1-year warranty. This cart's also equipped with the factory street ready kit. It's going to give you headlights, taillights, turn signals, brake lights, horn, of course mirror, windshield, as well as license plate light and bracket. This cart it's got the rear flip seat set up as a 4-passenger cart. It will fold down, make a flatbed for you. Also has, the 4-inch factory ezgo lift kit, set up with some 14-inch wheels, 23-inch tires. It also does have all new plastic, new floor mat, front and rear bumpers. Basically everything on this cart's brand new except the original electric chassis that we converted. You can check this cart out on our website. Our website will be in the description.